Got my little globe rocking off. Got my China traveling this way back to Africa, all in the circle and shit. Traveling to the North Pole, like the globe. Oh shit. So basically, I'm at the North Pole now. So traveling in any direction from the North Pole will be going south. So if I travel this way and go down, I'll be going south. If I travel this way and go down, I'll be traveling south. So basically, this is a lie. The globe is a lie. This can't be done because they'll tell you they can circumnavigate the Earth all the way around and come back on the other side. They said this can be done circumnavigating from north to south, which can't be done. You can literally go to Antarctica, which is south from north, and come back around on the other side. Basically, I'm gonna show you the truth. I mean, it's written right here, so you don't gotta believe me, but just know that the Lord sat on the circle of the earth, going around that globe like this. You end up back in the same spot as you started. That's circumnavigating from east to west. But the Lord sat on the circle of the earth. Circle, 2-dimension. The sphere, 3-dimensional. Two different things. The earth does not move. Once again, so north. I'm standing here at the North Pole. So if I travel this way, it's south. Once again, any direction from here is going south to Antarctica, even on this whack ass globe. But the lie is they tell you when you get to the bottom, when you get here, like when you travel from America, let's just do that down, make it simple. Travel from America from north all the way down from North Pole past this all the way south, what the direction is like this. It lead to Antarctica, basically doing this shit. When you get here, they say you can come back on the other side and come back around. It's a lie. 300-foot wall surrounding all oceans. This is where the ocean stops, here, around the whole earth. That's where the ocean stops, at Antarctica. There's no, all the depictions you got of boats falling off the ocean or falling off water, off a fucking waterfall or some shit. It just doesn't happen. The depiction should be the boat fucking crashing into a 200-foot wall. Because that's what boats do when they get to fucking ice. Because the ice sheet, that's 200, 300 feet tall. Now, when you cross this, like, if you start here at the North Pole and travel down past, Africa all the way down south to Antarctica, you can continue to go over. If you go over the 300-foot wall, let's say plane, or a fucking extreme adventurer who climbs over the fucking wall. Because there's a fucking wall there. I mean, wake up. They trying to depict Antarctica as a fucking like a bottom of like a fucking cut. No, it surrounds the whole earth. The entire earth. It goes around the whole earth. It goes around the whole earth. As you can see. It's not no fucking landmass that you can like circumnavigate and come from east to west on the other side. It looks like this. If you travel south, it looks like this. Now you can go all the way right here south from north, because the earth, the edge of the earth, nobody comes out here. Nobody knows what the fuck is out here. Nothing. Nobody knows what's out here. When you get out here south, remember, once again, north, traveling all the way down on the flat earth, because you can actually do this and go all the way north. You want to travel west, you can go just like this in a fucking circle. Around the earth, west, traveling west. Circumnavigating the earth. It's that easy. The earth doesn't move. They have convinced you that this ball sphere shit, this shit moves. It's a ball. It's a sphere or some shit. It's not a sphere. The Lord said he's out on the circle. I just showed you a circle. This is not a fucking circle. This shit that you are convinced to learn. Traveling to China, Africa, all the way around the seas and shit. They convinced you of that bullshit. It's a fucking lie. The earth is flat. It's not a sphere. In reality, if you're standing right here, you're looking this way and you're standing over here. So of course, you're supposed to be upside down. No, everyone's standing straight up. Everyone's on a fucking flat earth, standing up. But everyone's looking in different fucking directions. North is here. Put it this way. If everyone was turned this way, literally turned this way, if everyone and on Earth just turn their bodies this way, people over here will be these people will be looking north in Australia. These people in Africa, if they turn that way, will be fucking looking south. They'll be looking south. Do you understand what I'm saying? If these people over here will be looking east. You know what I'm saying? They're looking east. Because north to south travels, it travels as you go. North, east, west. Is that when you're standing right here, when you're literally standing right there, that's what the compass says. Because this is south and up here is north. So you turn a little bit right here, and then the fucking north goes like this. East, west, south, because this is south. Do you understand now? Do you understand? That's literally, if you're standing right here, north is there. Now, east, west, south. Okay, do you understand how it works? It goes in a fucking circle. The earth doesn't move. You know what I'm saying? The earth doesn't move. When you navigate upon the flat earth that doesn't fucking move the circle, it goes like that in a circle around the earth. You see, Africa is not looking at me. It's pointing that in another direction. Do you understand what I'm saying? Look, obviously now, do you understand what I'm saying? It's that simple. So look, is this easy to see? So, let me just keep it this way. Turn it around. Look, remember we did it over here. I'm in Africa. This is south. Up here is north. So I'm going to keep on traveling north. When I get to north, as you see, I'm north. Now north turns to south. Back down south. It's that simple. It's that simple to see. And it is so easy to see. The earth is flat. The earth does not move. The sun and the moon rotate around the flat earth during the seasons. Let me just turn the earth. Let me just move. The earth doesn't move. I'm turning the earth. Okay. Goodness gracious. So look, North Pole is here. The sun and the moon circle and navigate. Look at this. East coast, west coast. They go around the earth around in a circle. I'm going to just do it for you. The sun and the moon, look, around the equator. And where does the seasons come from? You see, I'm right here. Look where the sun is. My finger's here. Almost on, what's this, Florida or some shit. Look, I'm going to go around. And it goes around further away. So now this part here is not at Florida. It's here. So it's not as fucking hot up here no more. It's hotter here because the sun is about as the size of my finger on this fucking earth. It's not 400 times or 102 times, 10 times the fucking earth. It's literally the size of the shadow of my finger on here. And it goes around the earth along with the moon. They both cycle together. I can't do that shit with my fingers. But you got to understand, they're going around the North Pole. That's simple. It's that simple, y'all. And I did this shit with a regular ass piece of paper to show you the flat earth. It's flat. This is exactly how the fucking earth looks. And it's fucking flat. Once again, if I'm in America here, and then if I'm standing in Australia here, let's get this correct here. I'm not fucking upside down. Okay? Literally, this is north looking this way, and this is south. And if I'm here in America, this is fucking north and this is south. Do you understand?